Creating a new project. Follow the given steps to create a new project. Step 1. Click on File tab. A drop-down menu appears. Step 2. Select New. A new project will open. My first Scratch project. Let us now create a script to make the two sprites move and talk to each other. Follow the given steps to create a program. Step 1. Create a new project. You will get cat as default sprite. Step 2. Click on Choose a sprite and add mouse sprite. Step 3. Choose a suitable backdrop. Step 4. Click on the cat sprite. Click on the Events block and drag the first block to coding area. Step 5. Click on Looks category and drag the first block, that is speech bubble block, and attach it with the when clicked event block. Type the message, "Hey mouse, where are you going?" in the text box of the block. Step 6. Click on Motion block category and drag the first block to the coding area. When you bring this block below the speech block, it will attach itself. Change the number of steps to 20 in the text box of the block. Step 7. Click on the mouse sprite. Click on the Events block and drag the first block to coding area. Step 8. Drag the Looks speech bubble block to the coding area. Attach it below the event block dragged in the previous step. Type the message, "Oh no, she will eat me," in the text box of the block. Step 9. Click on the green flag and see your cat and mouse talk and move.